I want to show you a little product I got. First of all, we picked up this water table for our granddaughter. And we keep it out by the pool. But we just don't want to leave it out in the open all the time, all right? So I found a cover that's supposed to fit it. So I'm going to open it up and see if it actually does work. I'm hoping it does because I don't want to return it. Huh. Looks like it might be the right one. This will just like keep the UV off of it and stuff like that. Looks like it's going to be a perfect fit. That's pretty good over there. Looks like the problem might be this little flapper. Might need to take that out, put it in here, and then cover it up. So that's it. That's the cover. Nice little level of protection. I'll put a link in the description for this in case you have the same water table. Take care.